One of the things I love about that song is that it reminds us something important, I think, that God is worthy of our praise in every season. Summer, spring, winter, fall, peaks, valleys. And it's easy to say, "Blessed be your name," when life is going well and things are good. It's a little harder when prayers go unanswered, when the report isn't good, when the diagnosis isn't what you thought, when there's something going on in your family. But our worship isn't based on our circumstances, or at least it shouldn't be. It's based on God's character. Because he's still good. He's still faithful. He's still worthy of our praise, no matter what happens around us, no matter what the TV says, no matter what the newspapers say, no matter what social media says, no matter what happens at work or at school or in Chipotle or Wawa. And because he's faithful, we have hope. I like that word, hope. Not wishful thinking, not positive thinking, but real hope in the only one that can heal and save and restore and give us life. So I know things look a little different today. I know this is throwing some people off. Maybe you didn't know it was going to be like this. Maybe you would have stayed home and watched something else. You have the freedom today to worship a God who's alive, who died for you, who was resurrected, who gives you life and hope. Hope. A hope anchored in the life, death, and resurrection of Jesus Christ. The same Jesus who meets us in our struggles, walks with us through our valleys, and promises never to leave us or forsake us. So as we continue, whatever you carried in with you this morning, I want to encourage you to place it before the Lord today and leave it here. Don't take it back with you. So as we continue to worship, let's lift our eyes from our circumstances to the one who is our living hope.